Good morning, student. Now it's time for your social studies, and we will be starting a new chapter, chapter 5, India, States and Union Territories. Our country is a very large country. It is the seventh largest country in the world, as you know, in the terms of area, as we have also read in the previous chapter. It is the second largest country in the world in terms of population. New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. We have a government to look after the affairs of the whole country. So there is a government setup that looks after the whole affairs of the country, of the whole country. It is called the central or the union government, which looks after the major problems of all the people of the country. So who looks after the major problems of all the people of the country? It is central or the union government. But it is very difficult for the central government to manage such a large country. Therefore, our country has been divided into smaller parts called states and union territories. So, it is not possible for the central or the union government to solve all the difficulties of such a large country. Therefore, our country has been divided into smaller parts called the states and the union territories. States. There are 29 states in India. Each state has its own elected government called the state government. There are 29 states and each state has its own elected government called the state government. There are the governor, the chief minister and other ministers to run the state government. They live in the state capital. They look after the welfare of the people living in that state. Madhya Pradesh is the biggest state in India. Which is the biggest state in India? Madhya Pradesh, and Goa is the smallest one in the area. Madhya Pradesh is the biggest state in India and Goa is the smallest one in area. The name of the states along with the capitals are given below. Name of the state: Andhra Pradesh. Capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Capital of Assam, Dispur. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir capital Srinagar or Jammu. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Manipur capital is Impal. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Mizoram capital Aizawl. Nagaland capital Kohima. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar. Punjab capital Chandigarh. Rajasthan capital Jaipur. Sikkim capital Gangtok. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Tripura capital is Agartala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Uttarakhand capital Dehradun. Chhattisgarh capital Raipur. Jharkhand capital Ranchi. Telangana capital Hyderabad. Union territories. There are 8 union territories in India. The names of the union territories along with the capitals are given below. Do you know? The Union Territory of Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Name of the Union Territory and the capital: Andaman and Nicobar Island. Capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh. It is the name of the Union Territory and its capital is Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli. It is the name of the Union Territory and its capital is Silvassa. Daman Diu, it is the name of the Union Territory, its capital is Daman. Lakshadweep Island, name of the territory, its capital is Kavarati. Puducherry, it's the name of the Union Territory and its capital is Pondicherry. Delhi, the national capital of territory, it is known as national capital of territory. Its capital is New Delhi. Ladakh, it is the name of the Union Territory and its capital is Leh. Do you know India is the seventh largest country in the world? Next to China, India has the highest population in the world. In a family, it is the parents who look after the welfare of the family. Similarly, in a country, it is the government that looks after the welfare and safety of its people. Just like in the family, the parents, they look after the safety and welfare of the families. In the same way, in a country, it is the government that looks after the welfare and the safety of the people, of its people. The government also makes the rules or laws to run the country. As in a family, there are certain rules that one should maintain. Take an example of yourself. Your father or mother tells you should get up at this time, you should not sleep at late night, you should look mobile for just 1 hour in 24 hours, all that thing. There are certain rules and regulations, rules and laws that are also in the family that everyone should maintain. So in the country also there are rules and laws that the government makes. Do you know? The central government and the state government are the two types of government in India. The central government and state government are the two types of government in India. Many languages are spoken in different parts of India. Many languages, and Sanskrit is one of the oldest languages of the world. Central government. The central government is also known as the union government. It is based in New Delhi, which is the capital of India. The central government consists of the president, the prime minister, and the other ministers. The people of India vote to select the ministers. The central government consists of the president, the prime minister, and the other ministers. The people of India vote to select the ministers. Do you know? While the president and the prime minister lead our country and head the government, some other countries in the world are led by kings and queens. So, in our country, president and prime minister, they lead the country, while in some countries there are the kings and the queens who lead the country. And this question, can you find the names of two such countries? This is the homework that you have to find out which is the country that are led by the kings and queens. The state government. India is a very big country with a large number of people. It is difficult for the central government to look after the needs of the whole country. Therefore, each state had its own state government. In such a vast country, it is not possible for the central government to look after the welfare of the whole people. So, in every state had its own government, that is known as the state government. The state government consists of as the central government consists of the president, the prime minister, and the other ministers. The state government consists of the governor, the chief minister, and the other ministers, who together run the government. The union territories are governed directly by the central government. We may be living in different states, but there is a special bond that we all share as Indians. Fact 5. The southernmost tip of India was the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The part of land has now gone under water after a deadly tsunami in 2004 that had occurred in 2004, that is tsunami. Kanyakumari is now the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. So previously the southernmost tip of India was the Indira Point, but due to the deadly tsunami that had arrived in 2004, the part of the land had undergone the water. And now recent times the Kanyakumari, it is now the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Now look at the exercise. Put right for right and wrong for the wrong in the box. There are 27 states in India. Wrong. Guwahati is the capital of Assam. Wrong. Delhi is a union territory. Right. India is the second largest country in the world. Right. States are governed by central government. It's wrong. Match the following columns. Column 1. Assam capital is Dispur. Jammu and Kashmir capital is Srinagar and Jammu. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Tripura capital is Agartala. Kerala capital is Tiruvananthapuram. Andhra Pradesh capital is Hyderabad. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Take the correct in option. The capital of Nagaland is, it says Aizwal, Gangtok or Kohima. Kohima is the right answer. Jaipur is the capital of, number A is Nagaland, B Punjab, C Rajasthan. The right answer is Rajasthan. The capital of Jharkhand is A Ranchi, B Patna, C Itanagar. The right answer is Ranchi. There are dash union territories in India. A7, B8, C9. The answer is 8. There are 8 union territories in India. So again I am repeating, the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. There are 8 union territories in India. So we have finished this chapter 5. So we have finished this chapter 5, India, states and union territories. As I have now given you question answer of chapter 4, in our next class I will be giving you question answer of chapter 4. Go through the chapter thoroughly, and this the capitals, this name of the state, go through this name of the state and the capitals, name of the territory and its capital. These are very important to go through thoroughly, properly, very thoroughly, and just write down all the names and the capital, name of the territory and capital in your copy. Thank you.